jumped out of the cuffs. I pulled her over for no 28.
I had this one right here because she pulled me over.
Don't worry about this one. Talk to the officer that's right in front of you.
On the 2nd of June, 2025, a traffic stop took place in Palm Beach County, Florida. It ended in a custodial arrest over a missing vehicle tag. Throughout the encounter, the driver repeatedly calls the deputies thieves for taking her belongings. Under Florida law, that claim does not hold up, and the reason why matters here.
They just took her the other day, right?
Bring it down. I don't know why you're getting so...
You
You can get back in the car.
I just picked up my car from the Toyota.
Alright, that's fine. I didn't tell you to get out of the car though, did I?
I didn't know I was getting pulled over. I didn't even see you.
Alright. Just get back
So
in
what's
the car.
going on?
You don't have a plate on your car.
Yeah, I just got here. Here's my receipt. I just picked my car up from the Toyota.
Alright. Bring it down. I don't know why you're getting so... I didn't ask for this. License, registration, insurance.
I don't know where you came from. I'm not sure what's going on here. I just got my car from the tow yard to pull it up here to get everything situated.
You told me that.
Here's my title. I don't have my license with me.
Alright, do me a favor. Just sit on the curb right here.
I live right here.
That's fine. I asked you to sit on the curb. I said sit on the curb. Why are you so confused?
Because I don't know what you got going on. I didn't even see you pulling me over, ma'am. That's why.
You're up here.
Yeah, because I'm pissed off. I didn't see you pulling me over.
And you could be pissed off.
What's wrong with you?
What is wrong with me?
She's okay, y'all. She probably
Don't
didn't
go
see
over
her.
to her.
Huh?
Don't go
That's
over to
my neighbor.
That's fine. I don't.
Okay, but you don't have to talk to me like that. I'm a grown woman, bro. She's kind of like, she has mental issues. That's why I didn't want y'all to know, because I didn't want her to freak out or nothing.
She's fine. Go wait over there for me.
I live right here, man.
That's fine.
You can't tell me where to stand now. Come on now. I'm on city property. I ain't with y'all. Just leave me alone.
1 Golf 1 1 Charlie 5 Sierra Alpha 9 Golf Foxtrot 1033.
I need my property out my car, ma'am. Come get my stuff.
Stop.
Stop.
What are you doing?
What is she doing?
Hey, back up for me. Back up for me.
Get my property.
Back up for me.
Why she handcuffed?
I don't know.
Because she wants to walk away.
Walk away from where?
No, let's talk.
Just sit for me.
Why got some other
Could I have one detained?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Lady, you're...
Sit.
You can't touch my property. Don't give her my property. That's my property.
Just told you. Bro, she just called me. She just
That's
told me to
my
grab her
property.
I don't be doing none
That's
of
my
that.
f***ing property.
She's
That's
right
my
there.
f***ing property. You can't f***ing grab my property, you stupid. That's my property. You can't touch my shit.
You hear that? That's she just told me.
I just called this
I know.
Listen, I have no problem giving you the stuff, but let me finish what I have to do first, and then I will confirm with her. I understand, but I can only...
Stop the dumb shit.
So I'm gonna need that stuff, and I'm gonna explain to you what's going on. She was driving without a plate on her car. And then she wants to get out of the vehicle and leave. You cannot leave while I am conducting a traffic stop. So again, I'm gonna take that stuff for now, and I'm gonna confirm it with her.
She just told me to grab her property right in front of you guys.
So
That's my shit. Tell her don't touch my shit. Get me the f up out of here.
Is your cameras on?
It is. I'm dealing with a lot, so I can only talk to one person at a time.
Okay, so
let me...
I'm just telling you right now, my wife in there.
Okay.
This is our property. She told me I can take it. So whatever you guys need to do with her, just do it. And then that's pretty much, she just went to go get her car back. We got kids. You know, she just went to... They just took her the other day, right?
Listen.
They took her car, so she just got it out of the rental. She just got it out of the car.
Tell that don't touch my shit. Don't touch
something back.
Oh my gosh, you got kids. I'm just trying to...
Listen, I'm not trying to hold you up.
Can I say one thing to her, please?
Honestly, I'm going to be honest with you. I would have no issue doing that, but when I'm asking you for items, you're not giving them to me, I'm definitely not helping you out with talking to her.
Something like that.
Because did I not ask you for the stuff?
Why don't you talk like her? You see how she's talking?
He could get my property. He's my baby father. Stop touching my shit. Open the door and let me talk. Bitch, let me talk.
So you could be in cuffs right now too. You understand me? When you're taking her stuff and I'm telling you to give it back to me and you're not giving it to me, you're going to be in the back of my car next. So give us the stuff.
You can keep him coming.
No one.
Just advise him that it's non-emergency.
Come on.
Oh, you can't grab my shit with your ass. What's wrong with you? Ass. Don't give that hoe my property. Don't give her my shit. Asshole, don't give her my property. Lock your fucking car if you want to. Why is she stealing my stuff? The officers are stealing my stuff. The police are stealing my stuff.
Did she just break my window?
Why are you stealing my shit? That's my property. You cannot keep that. That's not yours to touch. That's not her property to touch. She can't keep my property. Give it to my baby daddy.
She slipped out of the cuffs. Slipped out of the cuffs. I pulled her over for no 28.
Yo.
She slipped out of the cuffs.
Let me talk.
Hey, do not.
Yo, calm the down.
I'm not pushing no car.
Are you stupid? Calm down.
They came apart.
Don't come apart.
Okay, you want me to put them back in? I'll put them back in. Here you go.
Talk to these people like you got sense.
I don't know why they're taking my stuff. I just told her I came from the tow yard.
Hey, talk to these people like you got sense.
Your
Your mother. Use your head.
Okay.
Use your f***ing head, you idiot. You're a mother.
Okay.
You don't have time to be doing all this dumb shit.
Okay.
Tell them what the they need to hear so we can go and continue our day with our family.
Okay.
God
I
damn.
hate this one right here because she pulled me over.
Don't worry about this one. Talk to the officer
Okay.
that's right in front of you.
Hey.
Hey, don't nobody want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you.
What we're really concerned about is there any weapons in there?
Oh, no. No.
That's what I'm.
Oh, no, you can check.
I don't care about
Yeah, there's no weapons.
marijuana.
Yeah, there's no weapons.
Because we know there's probably marijuana in there. I can smell it.
It's a lot of cockroaches in here.
What?
A lot of little cockroaches in here.
Really? Alright, so don't worry about it.
I just got my car out the tow yard. I have $100 in my purse. I don't want them to steal my money.
You have a clear bag?
When he had it, she was like, he's stealing my shit, so I don't want to get it to him now.
No.
Just make sure that she's
Can
got
you
that
ask her
cover
about her
up,
property?
and I'm going to re-cup her up. She said that you were stealing it when you were holding it, so you're not going to get it.
She said what?
She said that you were stealing the property when it was in your hand on my camera, so I'm going to put it into... I'm going to take it.
To you guys.
I'm going to take it to the jail, and she could get it after. It's just her personal stuff. You don't need it.
She's right there. I live with her. She lives with me. That's my wife.
That's fine.
Why can't I have her personal stuff?
Hello.
Yo, can I get your personal stuff?
Yes, you can get all of my belongings, baby.
Here's
That's
that.
my baby father.
This is his tablet, right?
Yeah,
I just
you
wanna
could give
confirm
it to
he did
him.
unlock it. So
Okay,
it's-
yeah,
Can
give
I have-
him his
can I have your
tablet.
purse?
Give me him my purse. Give him all of my
You
property.
hear that? Okay.
So you guys are taking me into jail?
See?
For what?
Because
For what?
Explain it to you.
Why? Why is she taking me to jail? Why are you taking me to
you don't have
jail?
a tag on your car, my nigga.
Because of a tag on my car
Why didn't you
that
call me?
that they
Why
let
didn't
me
you
get.
talk to me? Why did they give you a temporary tag? I don't know.
You shouldn't even be driving. You don't have a license.
I brought my car home because I'm gonna go sell my car. I could sell my vehicle. I have the title to my car. I could sell my
Because I don't want
vehicle.
him.
So your purse in there and everything like that can go with him.
Yes, everything could go with him. Yeah, I hope your mama and your whole family need to ass. Give him my property.
Here.
Stop going in my bitch. Stop going in my
Back when we get to the
shit.
She really.
You going in my stop going in my stuff. Stop touching my stuff. Stop touching my stuff with your raggedy ass. Stop touching myself.
I'm gonna make myself so clear. You break my window,
And
there's
I'm
gonna
gonna
be
beat
an
your
incident.
motherfucking
Alright, you could beat.
That's trying to make a
Let's
point
fix
with
the
your
cup now.
raggedy ass.
What a doll she is.
Hey, listen. We can't have you kicking and punching around, okay? And that's for your safety as well as...
Can you give him my stuff? Y'all already taking me to jail. I don't want to hear nothing. Y'all are taking me to jail for no reason. Y'all been doing this for so long now. You've been taking me to jail for no reason. My handcuffs, my name ain't Burn. It's beyond. With your raggedy. My name ain't Burn. Get it right. What is wrong with this? I don't know why she pulled me over. I didn't even see this. This was just doing some illegal shit. Look at this raggedy pussy. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Come on, man. You didn't even tell me what you're doing this morning, B. You just always doing shit.
All I did was go.
Why do you always do things like that, bro? And then after that, instead of talking to her, right, bro? To get yourself out of this situation, what'd I tell you about that? Stop talking that hoodlum shit, bro. When cops pull you, stop that ghetto ass shit. Stop that shit, yo. That's how they gonna get you locked up every time. Every time they pull you over with that rah ghetto ass shit. That's how you gonna get it every time.
I'll be honest with you, you wouldn't even have gotten a ticket from me. I would have gave you a warning and let you park.
I told you that. You always with that rah ghetto ass, tamarind ghetto ass shit, bro. I'm not on that shit, bro.
Was it? Alright, well, she's going, so.
Look at this shit. Look at this shit y'all doing. Look at what y'all doing.
Hey.
Get all my stuff. That's my stuff. Give him my stuff. Get my wallet. Give him my wallet. You stop going through my shit, you stupid. I hate your fucking Stop going through my stuff.
Actually, don't. I'll let.
Stop going through my stuff. Make sure you get all my cards.
I have everything.
Okay. I'll beat your ass if I wasn't in handcuffs. And you know it.
Hey, but
I'll
another
beat
thing
the
is
brakes
too,
off
guys.
your ass.
A missing license tag alone is enough to justify a traffic stop. That authority comes from Florida Statute 316.605. No additional suspicion of criminal activity is required once that violation is visible. A lawful stop also lets officers direct where an occupant stands or sits. That power comes from Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 1977. When officers take temporary custody of property that is not theft under Florida law. Florida's theft statute, 812.014, requires intent to permanently deprive an owner. Property that is logged and later returned through standard procedure does not meet that definition. Officer authority during a stop is not limited to the driver alone. Maryland versus Wilson, 1997, extended that same control authority to others present at the scene. Officers may direct third parties for safety reasons until the stop is fully resolved. Florida Statute 843.02 makes resisting an officer without violence a first-degree misdemeanor. Refusing a lawful directive to stay in place, not spoken words alone, satisfies that charge. Profanity and verbal hostility by themselves are rarely enough to support this charge. Once an arrest is lawfully initiated, handcuffing is treated as reasonable, not excessive force. Graham versus Connor, 1989, judges reasonableness from the officer's perspective at that moment. No strikes, takedowns, or weapons were used, keeping the use of force analysis straightforward. The driver's license status carried its own separate legal exposure in this stop. Under Florida Statute 322.34, a first offense is a second-degree misdemeanor. A second offense becomes a first-degree misdemeanor, and a third offense rises to a felony. That felony threshold matters directly, given the driver's arrest 2 weeks before this stop. She had already been arrested for fleeing law enforcement at high speed 2 weeks earlier. That charge falls under Florida Statute 316.1935 and explains the impound.
She's in the, she just came out of the that hospital where she needs her medicine.
JFK?
Yeah, so she might,
So she could deal with that at county
Yeah,
jail.
but she's,
Listen, if she breaks her window in the car or something like that,
There's going to be a lot more issues than...
Yeah.
Alright, you want me to give this to
Yeah,
her?
give this to her. Wait, give her that, please.
Yeah, I'm going to give it to her when we get there. I have to put it into her jail uniform. I'll give it to her.
What? All right. What's the number? Write the number down. Call me. Get me out of here. Call me and get me out of here. Get me out of jail. I'm not with this shit. Okay, what do they want me to say? Hey, my phone is coming. Get my phone. My phone is coming.
What?
My phone is coming, okay?
Huh?
My phone is coming.
When?
It's gonna come at the place, so I'll have to pick it up anyways. It's straight, because this think she could get what she could get up out of me. Raggedy. Man, that I'll beat the brakes.
Yo, watch your mouth, you dummy. You don't even know my number, you idiot.
Okay, call me.
Man, how am I gonna call you?
What's your phone number?
Yeah, I gave it to her to give me a number, but stop talking to her like that.
Okay.
Hey, you need to apologize to that lady, bro.
I'm not apologizing
Bro.
for shit.
Bro.
Her.
Yo, listen to me, dummy. Listen to me.
Mhm.
Apologize to that lady, bro.
I'm sorry she's a dumb
Bro,
You wanted a to take to jail, you got one. You. My man is gonna be there. You. You just mad because I have someone that's there for me? I don't give a texting your man that's cheating on you because you're raggedy. Raggedy. We love bitches like you. Weak body. Weak ass. That's what you is. Hair got fleas in it. Raggedy piece of shit. Fleeing ass.
Grading this encounter starts with the driver, who earns a grade of D. Her license exposure was already serious, and refusing directives added a criminal charge on top of it. She does get credit for not physically resisting once the handcuffs were applied. The third party, her children's father, earns a grade of C-. He approached the vehicle before being invited to, but de-escalated once directly warned. The lead deputy earns a grade of B for patient handling of a contentious dispute. The second officer earns a grade of B+ for talking the third party down. The lesson here is simple. Disputes over property or arrest legality belong in court, not the roadside. Verbal disagreement with an officer is protected speech under the First Amendment. Refusing a lawful directive or encouraging someone else to interfere is not protected. That distinction alone turned a routine equipment citation into 3 separate criminal charges. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.